Hey girlfriends, welcome back. Oh my gosh, another week of working, of course, but this is the first week of how much money do I make being a server vlog. I know a lot of you guys wanted to see how much I made. Again, I stopped making those videos because life be lifing, okay? And yeah, so I'm on my way to work. I'm actually going in at 5 o'clock. I don't go in today, but now I'm going to be replacing one of our co-worker that he got, he's in the hospital and he won't be able to get out anytime soon because he has some serious problems mentally. And so yeah, but anyways, I'm so excited. I know some of you guys wanted this type of vlog or this type of video to see how much money I made, and yeah, I'm excited to show you guys. Happy November 3rd. Oh my gosh, it's November. Like what? No, November 4th. What am I thinking? It's Monday, November 4th. November 4th. Wow, can believe election is tomorrow. I don't know. I feel like it's going to be a 50-50. Who knows? But anyways, let's wish the best for our country. So anyways, I hope I make at least money for gas. That's all I'm hoping for, because Monday usually are slower. And with time change, yeah, people get hungry at their regular time. It's only been a day, so yeah. But anyways, wishes luck today. Let's see how much we make. I will update you guys tonight. I'm at Walmart, and I'll be honest with you, I knew it was gonna be dead because a lot of people are stuck watching it to be like they're butterflies or like flies. I think I made 35 maybe. I will put it on the screen because once I get home I have to shower, put the kids to sleep, and I want to pack some trades that I'm doing to get some Hello Kitty items. So yeah, but I'm at Walmart because hubby wanted marucha, ramen noodles, and I need to get some bubble wrap. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Hey girlfriends, how are you? Happy Tuesday. It is 3:52. I just got off at 3:30 from break. I only get 2 hours today because we're short on people. Trust me, life be lifing. But anyways, I'm actually on my way to the store because I'm looking for this specific item for my mom to buy as like a gift. And so yeah, but it did get a little bit busy because today is voting day, so people are going out and voting and they're hungry after waiting a few hours in line. So yeah, it is a little bit busy. Hopefully we make good money, and yeah, we'll update you guys tonight. Guys, it is late. We're still watching the show for who's gonna win the president. It's so scary. But anyways, let me count how much I made. From here is what I made, okay? So happy because I was able to get large bills. So I have 150, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. $166. I'm telling you guys, today was busy because after everybody voting in the morning, they were going into work. Eating, the afternoon was a little bit slower than usual. Of course, everybody's watching the show, the election, so yeah, but oh my gosh, I'm so happy. 160, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 65, right? Let's see, 150, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 166. So yeah, all right, see you guys tomorrow. Oh my goodness, guys, hello. I totally forgot to do an intro on this morning. It is Wednesday. I am going back to work from break. I went home, cleaned a little bit, and yeah, let's hope today it's a good day. It was a little bit slow in the morning, but it's normal. It's been one of those days where I'm just not feeling it, guys. Literally, like, I was happy at first, but now it's just like I'm not feeling it. But anyways, wish us luck. Hopefully we make more than $100. That's all that I hope for. And yeah, I will update you guys this afternoon. Well, no, this night. Tonight. Yeah, later tonight. Okay. I hope you guys enjoy this type of vlog. Let me know, okay? I want to know your feedback. Bye, guys. Alright, guys. I've made it home. Let's see how much money we have saved. Alrighty. Alright, so anything from here and forward will be like that. Forward, backwards, what? I don't know. I'm tired. It's been a long, rough day. Okay, that's all I have to say. Long, rough day. All right. I really like this placemat. It's cute. I got it at Home Goods, so yeah. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, today was a good day because it was just 2 servers all day. We were supposed to be 3, but the last one, his car, something happened to his car, and so he couldn't make it. So, you know, it worked out for the best for all of us, both of us. All right, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh my gosh. It's been a minute since I've done $200. Like literally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wow. 217. Oh, that's exciting. What a blessing. 217. Awesome. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Hey guys, happy Thursday. I'm running late. Hubby already texted me, are you almost here? Because I think he got Chick-fil-A for me, actually, that's why. But it's 10:02. I'm supposed to be there at 10. I went to TJ Maxx and I went to Home Goods because you already know I hunt for Hello Kitty. But I also went in for the new Stanley Cup, the Starbucks Stanley Cup, just to go in, and I bought it. It was unnecessary. I'm thinking about it. I might keep it. I may not. I don't know. I didn't know those prices went up so high. Like, what? They were like 30 something, now 40 something, now like $60 after tax. I'm like, oh, I don't know. Let me think about it. I have 2 at home. I rarely even use it. It's just a habit of just having it. But anyways, let's hope today's a good day. Yeah, see you guys tonight. All right, guys, so let's see how much I made. It was slow. I always say that, okay? But usually it was slow than normal. 110, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, $151. Okay, awesome. All right, guys, I see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow will be Friday. Woo! So exciting. All right. Bye. Happy Friday. I'm using this bad boy. Water tastes delicious. I mean, amazing. Like, you name it. Coke / water. That's how it tastes like. Just kidding. Happy Friday, guys. I hope we make money today. So I'm using this bad boy today because, you know, we ain't just pay $60 and not use this bad boy. Hopefully this motivates me. Just kidding. It's not going to motivate me. I have to be ready. I don't use them. I used them a few times and then storage back. Anyways, happy Friday. I'll see you guys tonight. Guys, we are home. Let's see how much money we made on Friday. Oh, I am so tired. I'll be honest with you. Mentally exhausted. It got busy on us just out of the nowhere. And, you know, we were short staffed. So, yeah, there's that. And I hate when it happens because I feel like we don't give the best service that we want to give. But, you know, it is what it is. What can you do? All right. Here we go. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Let me double check, okay? 185. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Yeah, 185. Okay, great. Happy Friday, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm off tomorrow, but at the same time, I have errands to do. I have to do an alignment. I'm going to do the unlimited or lifetime warrant, lifetime type of thing that they have for like an alignment for like 200 and something. I do that all the time, every time I get a new car. This is probably, yeah, this is the 3rd car that I've done this. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, I have gone through 3 cars that I have bought myself. I mean, since I was 17, okay? I'm 27, okay? So it makes sense. But anyways, that doesn't matter. I'm just rambling. And so I'm excited that this week has gone good because I'm going to use some of that money to pay my bill tomorrow, which was unexpectedly because I got a flat tire 2 weeks ago. Going on 2 weeks ago on a Monday. And I was so stressed, you guys. I needed new tires, but I didn't know that this was going to happen. And we had to, get a whole new set. All right, the kids are here, guys. It's time for us to chill. Yes, Papi, hold on. It's time for us to relax and chill because it's Friday. So I'll talk to you guys on Sunday because I'm off tomorrow, Saturday. So yeah. So bye, guys. Hey guys, it's Saturday. I don't go to work, right? Because I told you that last night. But y'all, do you see what I see? I mean, do you see what you see? Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know, but I just wanted to share this excitement. I went to Walmart to get some bubble wrap and this to make like fake snow for this gingerbread house. And it smells so good in there that I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna tell Alex, let's decorate already, like now. Let's decorate now for Christmas. Like, I'm ready for it. I'm sorry. So I wanted to hop on just to let you guys know that I'm ready for Christmas. Okay, see you tomorrow. Hello guys, happy Sunday. It's definitely feeling fall vibes today. It is 68 outside and also the leaves are falling, so woohoo. All right guys, happy Sunday. Oh my gosh, happy Sunday. I see you guys tonight. Let's see how much money I made today. Hello guys, it's been a long Sunday. We just got home. Dylan wants milk. We're just talking. I'm tired. It's 11 p.m. I'm tired. Let's count how much money we made today. I say probably $100. That's what I'm thinking. All right, let's see. Let's see how much moolah we made today. It was okay. Nothing crazy, I'll be honest with you. As you can tell, look at my tips. It's nothing crazy, you guys. All right, I hope you were able to add up everything for every day. I'm not gonna add the total because that's your homework. I already know how much it is, but yeah, because I'm gonna add it up at the end of this. But anyways, let's see. We have 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Wow, $172. Yay! $172 for this Sunday. It wasn't too crazy, but I'm thankful. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for the support, the like, the comments, the share, the everything, the engagement. I appreciate all of you guys. Really, truly, I really do. You guys are helping me out to continue this journey, and I'm excited to see what the future has for us. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Love ya.